Hello students, we are doing exercise 2C. Okay, so in this exercise we have done 1 to 4 question. Okay, in part 1 video. This is the part 2 video. So in this we will solve next question, that is 5. Question is saying subtract. Okay, here are some rational number is given, we have to subtract. So first one he is saying 2 by 9 from 5 by 9, means we have to subtract 2 by 9 with 5 by 9. So let's see here. First one. So I am writing solution. Okay, you will write question in your copy. I am direct writing solution. So see here. We will write question in solution also. So 2 by 9 from 5 by 9. Okay. So it becomes 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Okay. Question is saying you have to subtract 2 by 9. Okay. From this. So 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Now students, numerator are same. So we will take common and then we will subtract numerator. Okay. Now what you get students when you subtract this? You get 3 by 9. Students, you are looking, both are coming in the table 3. 3 is coming, 9 also coming. So we will write lowest term. How you will write? By cutting. So in the table 3 comes 1 time and 9 comes 3 times. So answer will be 1 by 3. Now students, see second question. Minus 6 by 11 from minus 3 by minus 11. See solution here. Solution. I am writing question. Minus 6 by 11 from minus 3 by minus 11. So we have to subtract this, okay, from this. So we will write minus 3 by 11 minus, in bracket you will write minus 6 by 11. Now students, see both are minus sign, so we can cut this. Okay, so you will write 3 by 11. Okay. Now see here, here is minus, so it minus plus, so you will write plus 6 by 11. Now numerator are same, so you will take common, that is 11. Now you will add numerator because here is plus sign. Okay, so 3 plus 6, what you get? 9 by 11. This is the answer. Now students, see next question, that is third number. Okay, third number is minus 2 by 15 from minus 8 by 15. Now see here, that is third one. Okay, solution I am writing. In solution what you will do? First you will write question. Minus 8 by 15. Now you have to subtract this with this. Okay, so minus 8 by 15 minus, in bracket you will write minus 2 by 15. Now students, here is minus sign. Okay, minus 8 by 15. Now here is minus and here is minus. What you will do? You will multiply this sign. What you get? You get minus 8 by 15 plus you get. Okay, so plus 2 by 15. Sorry. Okay, now denominator are same, so what you will do? You will take common. Okay, so see here, I am taking common, then numerator you will write, that is minus 8 plus 2. Okay, now students, when you solve this, what you get? you get minus 6 by 15. Now here is minus sign, here is plus sign, so we have to subtract this, okay, this two number. Now we have subtract, what you get, 6. Now here greatest number sign is minus, so we have taken minus sign, so answer will be 6 by 15. Now students, in the table 3, you know 6 is coming and 15 also coming, so you can write in the lowest term. Okay, so 6 comes in the table 3, 6 comes how many times? 2 times, and 15 comes how many times? That is 5 times, and this minus sign. So this is also the answer. Okay, minus 2 by 5. Now let's take next question. That is 5. Okay, 4 you can do by yourself, it is easy. Okay, now let's see fifth one. Fifth one is saying minus 4 by 11 from minus 2 by only minus 2. Okay, so see here. Solution. What is given in the question? You will write minus 4 by 11 from minus 2. Now students, here is no denominator, so what you will write here? 1, no? So you can write here minus 2 by 1 minus, in bracket you will write, okay, so minus 4 by 11. Now students, this becomes plus, so minus 2 by 1 plus 4 by 11. Okay, now here denominator are different, so first you will, what you do, you have to take LCM. Okay, so you will make denominator same. Okay, so the LCM of 1 and 11, that is 11. Okay, so LCM, what you get? 11. So here you have to make 11, and here is already 11, so no need to change this. Now you have to write here. So how 11 comes? When you multiply 1 into 11, it comes 11. So 11 we will multiply numerator and numerator both. Okay, now plus 4 by 7. When you multiply, what you get? Minus 22 by 11. Then you write plus 4 by 11. Now denominator are same, so we will take common and solve it. Okay, so numerator you will write minus 22 plus 4. Now student, tell me, when you solve this, what you get? You get minus 18 by 11, because here is minus sign, here is plus sign, so you will subtract, and the sign what you take, greatest number sign you will take, so you will write minus 18 by 11. This is the answer. Now students, see, we have completed this one. Let's see 6 number question. 6 again saying subtraction. Okay, so in this students, denominators are different. Okay, now let's see second one. Now see here, 6 second question is minus 6 by 25 from minus 8 by 5. Okay, now see solution. In solution, what I said, you have to write first question, that is minus 6 by 25 from minus 8 by 5. Now you have to subtract. Okay, so you will write minus 8 by 5 minus, in bracket you will write 6 by 25. Okay, now here minus sign, here minus sign, so it becomes plus sign. Okay, now minus 8 by 5 plus 6 by 25. Next, what you will do, denominator you have to make same. For this you will take LCM. The LCM of 5 and 25 is what? 25. Okay, so we have to make denominator 25. Okay. You cannot write this. Okay. You have to make 25 denominator. So, how you will make? By multiplying. In this, what you will multiply? You will multiply 5. So, you get 25. Okay. So, in both you will multiply 5. Now, here is already 25. So, we cannot change. Okay. Now, you will multiply this. Minus 8 into 5. What comes, students? Minus 40. Okay. Minus 40 by 25. Plus 6 by 25. See, we have made numerator same. Now, next what you will do? You will take common. Okay. 25. Now, you will write numerator minus 40 plus 6. Now, solve this. Minus 40 plus 6. Here is minus, here is plus sign. Okay. So, what you will do? You will subtract. When you subtract this, what you get? You get minus 34 by 25. This is the answer. Understand, students? Now, students, let's see next question. That is fourth number we will see. Okay. In third number, what you will do? Only you will write denominator 1. Then you will solve. You get the answer. Now, let's take fourth one. Okay. Now, students, see here. Fourth one. What is question? 16 minus 16 by 21 from 1. Now, see solution. Minus 16 by 21 from 1. Now, you will write 1 by 1 because you have to make denominator. So, we have written 1 by 1 minus, in bracket you will write minus 16 by 21. Now, students, this here is minus sign, here is minus sign. What you will do? You will add. Okay. So, minus minus comes plus. So, 1 by 1 plus 16 by 21. Now, here denominators are different. So, what you will do? You will make denominator same. How you will make? By taking LCM of these two. So, LCM of these two is 21. Okay. 21. So, in this, when you multiply 1 into 21, it comes 21. So, in both you will multiply 1 into 21 by 1 into 21. Then plus. Here is already 21 in numerator, so we cannot change. So, we will write 16 by 21. Now, when you solve this, it comes 21 by 21 plus 16 by 21. Now, next, what you will do? Take LCM, common, then you will write 21 plus 16. Now, when you will add this, what you get? You get 37 by 21. This is the answer. Okay. Now, students, let's see fifth one. Okay, sorry, here is fifth one. So, question is minus 8 by 15 from 0. Okay. So, you have to subtract minus 8 by 15 from 0. Now, let's see here. Minus 8 by 15 from 0. See solution. Minus 8 by 15 from 0. Next step, 0 minus, in bracket you will write 8 by 15. So, we will multiply this two sign. What you get? Addition. Okay. So, 0 plus 8 by 15. Students, you know, when you add something with 0, what you get? Same number, that is 8 by 15. So, this is the answer. Okay. Students, you know, when you add 0 plus 1, what you get? 1. Okay. Same, 1 plus 0, what you get? 1. Okay, same as when you multiply 0 plus 8 by 15, you get 8 by 15. This is the answer. Now students, see here. Next question we will do 6 number, that is 0 from minus 8 by 8, 3 by 8. So what you will the answer when you subtract this or when you will add? See here, sixth one. Question is 0 from minus 3 by 8. Solution first you will write question 0 from minus 3 by 8. Okay, so minus 3 by 8 minus 0. Okay, when you subtract or when you add, what you get? You get same number, that is 3 by 8. Okay, so 0 minus 1, what you will write? 1. Okay, minus 1 you can write, because this is the greatest number, so we will write minus 1. Okay, so same as this, obviously this is the greatest number from this, so you will write minus 3 by 8. So this is the answer. Now students, let's see next question. We will see 8th number. Okay, so 8th number, question is 5 by 8 from minus 5 by 16. 5 by 8 from minus 5 by 16. Solution 5 by 8 from minus 5 by 16. So minus 5 by 16 minus 5 by 8. Now students, what you will do? You will first change the denominator, because here is different now. So you have to take LCM of these two to make denominator same. So LCM of these two, what is the LCM of these two, students, tell me? That is 16. Okay, now so how you will find 16? Here is already 16, so only we have to change this one, because here is no 16. So this I am writing same. Now in this, in denominator, what you will multiply? That you get 16, that is 2. So in both numerator and denominator we will multiply with 2. Okay, so we have multiplied. Now minus 5 by 16. I am writing here minus 5 by 16 minus, solve this 2, what you get? 10 by 16. Now denominator are same. Now what you will do? You will take denominator common. Okay, so numerator you will write minus 5 minus 10. Okay, now here is minus sign, here is minus sign, so you will add. Okay, when you will add this, what you get? 15, and greatest number sign you have to write, that is minus. So minus 15 by 16. This is the answer. Okay, now students, I want to tell you this question. Okay, why? Because answer of this question is in the mixed fraction form. Okay, now students, let's see this one. Now see here, what is question? Minus 2 from minus 3 by 10. Okay, now see solution. Minus 2 from minus 3 by 10. Minus 3 by 10 minus minus 2. Here is no denominator, so we will write 1, and I am writing in bracket. Now this minus, what you will do here? Multiply this two sign. What you get? You get plus. Okay, so minus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 1. Now here denominators are different, so we have to make denominator same. So when you will take this LCM of 10 and 1, that is 10. So here is already 10. So only in this you have to make 10. So in this you will multiply 10 in the numerator, you get 10. So in numerator also you have to multiply. So minus 3 by 10 plus 2 into 10 by 1 into 10. Okay. Now minus 3 by 10, when you multiply this, what you get? You get 20. Okay. So 20 by 10. Now we have made numerator same, so we will take common, that is 10. So minus 3 plus 20. Here is minus sign, here is plus sign. So we will subtract these two numbers. So what you get? You get 17 by 10. Okay. And greatest sign we have taken here. So 17 by 10. Now how you will change this answer in the mixed fraction? How? 17 by 10. Now how you will do? In rough I am telling here. Now when you divide 17 by 10, now what you will here? Let's divide it. 10, when we multiply 10 into 1, what you get? 10, and 10 into 2, 20. So it going high, so only one times we will take. So 10. Now here remainder is 7. How you will write? Quotient remainder by divisor. Okay. So quotient is here, tell me. That is 1. So we will write 1. Remainder is 7. So 7 by divisor 10. Okay. So we will write this in the answer. So it becomes 1 7 by 10. Okay, this is in the mixed fraction form. Okay, this is the answer. Thank you.